Chavre, I'm here by Nutrition, my Tanya. Let's meet Shia and bring you a yiddish like you never saw. Let's go inside, Chavre. Shulam aleichem, Shia.
Good to meet you again.
Shia, wow. I always knew Tanya is for Frauen. You tell me a new yiddish now that Tanya has a men's version.
100%. Not only we have a men's version, we have, I'm here now, we understand the heimische clientele, the heimische man, what the needs are, where the struggles are, and that's what we're here to help people with their struggles.
Okay, so take me into Tanya. I mean, for years I've seen all the products all over, approved by Tanya, and I always said, why are the men not zoichet to have this special diet that the women have for years? So you're telling me now, the men can be zoichet too.
So the men can be zoichet too. We're here to meet with clients. We have all different types of availabilities. We have early morning appointments, we have during the day, we have afternoon and even evenings. I come in at night, in the evenings to meet people. We all have busy schedules, so people have to need availability at night. But the main reason why I'm calling down here today, let me show you a yiddish now.
Wow, can I stop you here? Before you show me the yiddish, give me a little, what is Tanya? We all hear Tanya, we know what taka is Tanya?
So Tanya is a one-stop shop for anything to do with weight loss and better eating. People want to feel good, people want to look good. Tanya is the answer. It starts with diets, obviously, amazing products. Look at this, take a look.
Wow, you have mamish everything stocked there?
A person goes on vacation, what do you eat on vacation?
That's
you want to stick to
that's
the
when you
diet.
put your diet. When you go on vacation, you lose your diet.
Not with Tanya. Check it out.
All these meals ready to go for the... So basically Tanya gives you a full lifestyle from meals
100%.
to exercise.
From A through Z.
A through Z.
And that's what we're going to talk about today.
Wow.
Meet VitaThin.
What's VitaThin?
VitaThin Pro is a new product, okay?
Nice.
And this is a yiddish to the market. And let me explain to you. Everybody wants to lose weight. Everybody wants to look good, feel healthier, be healthier. However, the first thing you try is obviously trying self-control. We all know how that goes, right?
Oh, don't talk to me about
Wachnachts, Shulam Zoches, we all know how it goes. Kedaishim, try self-control by a kiddush, right? Man bringt daraus alle gute Sachen, try it, right? This is where VitaThin comes in. And what this does is, it helps you control your appetite. Now, a lot of people think about, I'll take the shots, I'll take this. Before you go to the shots for a minute, think. First of all, this is natural. It's not addictive. It's a natural item that you don't have to inject yourself yet. You take it as a vitamin, and it has a lot of different benefits. And I'll explain them to you. First of all, it suppresses your appetite, helps you with controlling your cravings. That's number one. Number two, it has probiotics in it. It's not just one item that you take as a vitamin, as a magic pill. It's a combination of vitamins and things that will help you with your weight loss. On top of that, it has probiotics in it, which everyone knows.
Helps your gut, it helps your system.
It helps your gut, it helps with inflammation, it helps with bloating, and it's just amazing overall.
Wow.
You have all this combined in one amazing product. Try it for yourself.
What's it called again?
VitaThin Pro.
VitaThin Pro. That's it. Thins you out.
You want to be thin
so
like
it's
a pro.
kind of a berberine probiotics combined with vitamin B12,
Plus vitamin
apple
B,
So it's all get the Sachen, the little bottle over here, and it suppresses the appetite. And let me hear, Taka. You're working here. You see these results?
You should see the reviews. I'll send you in screenshots. Phenomenal. People are mamish amazed by it.
Wow.
Try it for yourself and be amazed.
So I'll try, Taka, I'll try it. I can use it. So when you take this, it suppresses the appetite, and you just feel healthy, and you lose weight.
100%.
And it's all natural. That's the best.
And it's all natural. It's not addictive. You don't have to inject yourself. What can be better?
So you have it stocked here.
We have it stocked in all the Nutrition by Tanya locations.
Let me hear, Taka, where are you locations?
We're located all over. Bar Park, Williamsburg, Muncie, Monroe, Lakewood, Jackson, everywhere.
5 towns?
You name it, 5 towns. Israel, we have in Jerusalem a location.
All right,
everywhere.
so Google the Tanya locations, or we have a website where people can find all your...
The website, Nutrition by Tanya, check it out, all the information there.
Check out all the information. You can buy it online as well?
Absolutely. And we ship everywhere.
Chavre, you hear that?
100%. Check it out and you'll be amazed.
Shia. We don't do a video without the Perlowitz promotion here.
Chaim, I was waiting for you to ask. So let's do an amazing promotion for the next 2 weeks. If you order the VitaThin Pro on the website and you put in the code Perlowitz, you'll get 20% off on your VitaThin order.
Chavre, next 2 weeks, buy that thing. Buy the VitaThin Pro. It's right over here. VitaThin Pro, all natural weight loss. You have an all-time location. You can pick it up, and then you go online, and online you get 20% off. So I advise you to go online and get it over there.
And you know what, Chaim, while we're at it, let me add in another Perlowitz promotion, okay? I hope I'm not going to get in trouble for this. I didn't check it with Tanya, but let's do it. The next 10 male clients that sign up for a nutrition package, we'll do $100 off their nutrition package.
And that's $100 off the nutrition package. First 10 clients only.
10 male
and
clients.
Like you said, you have male counselors to sit with them. How do you sign up for a package?
Call in Nutrition by Tanya and we'll help you out.
Phone number is?
And the phone number is 844-TANYA-DIET.
Okay, I'll put the phone number for those who don't know how to calculate that. I'll put the phone number on the screen, or you can probably book a package online.
Yes, absolutely.
Wow, what's so nice? What if somebody can't make it out here?
If someone can't make it
Can't
out,
make it to do a package with Tanya, but he wants to do the exercise, he wants to do the diet, he wants to hold with over there.
Perfect product for you. Here, kosher workouts for men. We have it in USB and in DVD. Now let me explain, right? A lot of people want to do a personal trainer, they want to do workouts, but it's extremely expensive and it's very hard with the scheduling. You start it once and then you can't figure it out, find place in your schedule, and you fall out. This is where this comes in DVD and USB. You could do it at home at your own pace and stick to it.
Wow, so you can take it to your work, take it to your home. Whenever you have a couple of minutes, plug in the USB and just do the exercise.
You could even take it along on vacation.
Take it on vacation. So you take that with the food package on vacation, and you're good to go, Chevre.
One more thing.
This is amazing shit. What?
One more thing that I do want to mention, that we have an amazing machine called M-Sculpt. A lot of people have certain areas where they struggle to lose the weight or where they want to tone their body, whether it's their stomach, whether it's their thighs. We have a machine called M-Sculpt. You can come in here, schedule your sessions, and it does like a workout for you. It helps you tone those areas. It does 20,000 crunches for you in 30 minutes.
This is a yiddish that takes the night. You telling me that I can just sit down with this machine and it does the workout for me?
You lay back and relax.
And actually does the work for you and you lose weight?
100%.
Chevre, I always wish that they would come out with a machine that could actually move my feet, move my hands, jog for me, run for me, do push-ups for me, do crunches for me, and you're saying you have that machine?
And now it's here.
Chevre, okay.
Try it.
We're going to try it. So Chevre, once again, we're going to put that phone number and the website on the screen. We got loads of information here. We got the VitaThin weight loss over here, right over there, the vitamins that we're going to try for the next 2 weeks to get 20% off. We have the Tanya workout for men. We have the M-Sculpt, and we have the food. We have the 101. We got so much going on Tanya. Chevre,
we got you covered A through Z.
She got you covered A through Z. Tanya it is. Locations again are in Borough Park, Muncie, Williamsburg, Israel, 5 towns. Let me see if I remember. Lakewood.
Shoot a dart in any Heimische neighborhood, we're there.
Shoot a dart in any Heimische neighborhood, and Tanya is there. Chevre, stay healthy, stay natural, and sei gesund.